In this video, I'll show you how to secure your mobile phone with an anti-theft app. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Play or App Store on your mobile device and then type in anti-theft, and then you'll be brought to a whole list of results here. So the one you want to click on is Don't Touch My Phone AntiTheft by Tapas Games. It's got over 10 million downloads and 205,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on install. So what this is going to do is download and install this app on your phone. Once this has been done, I'm going to pause this video and get back to you. Alright, as you can see, it's been downloaded onto my phone. So I'm going to click on open. And now from here, you want to click onto next. Click on next. Click on next. Alright, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Just exit out of this. Alright, once you've done that, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. So you can add a custom alarm, add a PIN code, charger alarm, and you've got some settings here. So to activate a motion alarm, go ahead and click on start. Mind you, there are a fair few ads using this app, so you just got to keep clicking out of them if they appear. So I'm going to click on start. So notification permissions. So this application needs notification permissions. It shows a notification when alarm is on. So go ahead and click on OK. Click on allow. Alarm will be activated in 1 second. Put your phone in a fixed place. And then it'll give you some information here. The protection was active by 8:30:16. So you can click on set alarm again if you like. Now I'm back on this screen again. So if you want to change your alarm type, go ahead and click on custom alarms and add might appear. Alright, got rid of that ad there. So you've got a default alarm, so you can select from ringtone sounds, notification sounds, or select the custom alarm sound. So I'm going to select from notification sounds. Click on allow. So I'm going to click on spaceline for my alarm.
I bet you don't know that.
And then skip out the ad and go back. And now click on start to activate your motion alarm and you're good to go.